Hi, my name is Lindley and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what my husband got me. I came home today. Today is Friday. It's February 11. I got home and I saw this on the dining table. And I did not expect it because he hasn't given me flowers like this for a very long time. And I thought my Coach purse was a gift for Valentine's. But yeah, I got this, so I'm gonna unbox this just to share with you what I got. I feel like I already know what it is because my husband knows what I like. So what the surprise is, I got this Valentine's 2022. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it and we'll see. There's a tape over here. Oh. Gift message enclosed. Made me smile? Hashtag made me smile. When he surprises you with that gift, the one that makes your face light up, you know you found the one. Okay. For my beautiful wife, love you, Thomas. Thank you, my husband. Yes, I knew it. Red flowers. What are this? Oh. Well, this is the first. I did not expect this one. Maybe he saw my video. I said he's predictable. Now this one I did not expect. Oh, nice. Food and water. Fill a vase with water, then add 1 flower food packet. Trim stems. Cut approximately 1 inch off each stem on a diagonal and place in vase. Trim any leaves below the water line. Cut and refresh. Change the water every 2 to 3 days. Retrim stems as needed. I've done this before. Oh, what is this? Aww. Simply chocolate. I thought it's just flowers. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, honey. Oh. Oh. It comes with a vase. Ah, it's pretty nice. Hold on, how do I'm gonna get this out, but how? How? Okay, like this. Oh, hold here, pull here. Share your smile with made me smile. Okay. I'm gonna hold here and pull here. Huh? Oh, there. It works. Oh, something fell. It comes with vase. That's nice. I was thinking of what kind of vase I have to buy or use. Maybe I can find something in the house. No. We got 2. My roses. Do you remember last year I got paper roses? Now this year I got real roses. We're gonna put some water in this one. I'll be back. How much water do you put? I think this is good. And I got this cutter. So we're going to work on this now. to change the water every 2 to 3 days? Are we sure about that? Well, we'll see. So I'm gonna change it on Monday. On Valentine's Day I have to change the water. Yes, thank you so much for watching. It's so nice to get something for Valentine's, right? I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. See you again in my next video. Bye.